what do you do when you're in Mexico? You eat a lot, and that's what I'm doing today. 8 hours, street food tour, Xochimilco. Let's go. We're going to be spending the day eating and drinking for 8 hours with Culinary Backstreets, who I've done now 3 tours with in Mexico as well as in Portugal, and I've absolutely loved my experience with them, so I'm super excited. Today we are going to be taking a tour of Xochimilco, about 40 minutes south of Mexico City, so come along, let's check it out and see what kind of yummy things we can find. Of Xochimilco, and it's such a lively spot. There's so many boats, lots of music, tons of people walking around, and we are so excited to begin our food tour with Culinary Backstreets. What are we about to do?
Eat some tamales.
Right here in the middle of the canal.
Because that tamal came from here. The farmers grow with the products here and produce the food.
So you're standing right now in the middle of a chinampas, which is a traditional form of farming here in
Xochimilco.
Xochimilco. You can see my Spanish is doing great. But basically this form of farming, they take the mud from the canals, which are all handmade, human-made, and turn them into farming fields where they can grow 7 different types of crops, including broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, lettuce.
Xochimilco means fields of flowers,
okay,
or place when grow with the flowers.
So Xochimilco is less than like 40 minutes away from downtown Mexico City, and this is literally like a green oasis here. It's so quiet, there's tons of birds, and all of these urban farms right here in the center of the city. After visiting the peaceful farms of Xochimilco, we continued our street food tour by heading to the market, where we could see all of the fresh produce in action as well as try lots of different street foods such as tacos, quesadillas, and lots more. Street market was just full of so much fresh produce, like so many different things that I had never even seen before. And so I love that the tour actually started with a tour of the chinampas, because that's where all the food is being grown. And so you could really get a sense of where it was coming from and how fresh and how local it really was. It's like a deconstructed elotes. It's got all the same toppings. Oh gosh, I'm gonna make a mess. Oh yeah. Probably not. Corn and mayonnaise.
are you eating?
Tamales. No.
Tlacoyos.
So it's
The
tortilla,
paper.
then bean, then the cactus. Or is it
Yeah.
peppers?
No, no.
Cactus.
Cactus. Here we can taste the different flavors of mole. This is a mole casero. It's just like to say made in home. This is with piñon. Okay, that mole have peanut, ajonjolí, it's sesame, y squash seed too. Here we can find another mole with pepitas, no? Okay. And this is mole prepared for michote.
I went with the watermelon agua fresca. It's hard to choose though, there's a lot of them. Oh, so refreshing. Oh my god, it's so good. And per usual, Culinary Backstreets crushed it. This is my third tour with them and every one of them has been absolutely amazing. I love that they incorporate so much local knowledge. They're really small. It actually wound up being a private tour. Me and Sam are the only ones who managed to sign up for this date. So we got a really intimate view of the market and our guide actually brought his family along. So we got to chat with his wife and daughter and learn all about what they love about Xochimilco and all of the different ingredients that they like, as well as sharing the meals with them and sharing the different tacos and food and different things that we ate with them.